Mazda CX-70. A detailed review of the 2027 model Mazda's CX-70 is a two-row midsize SUV that essentially replaces the third row of its larger sibling, the CX-90. While the two models share many similarities, including pricing, the CX-70 targets buyers who prioritize a more streamlined interior and don't need the flexibility of a third row. Mazda argues these buyers form a distinct demographic, though this remains a point of debate. Performance and engine options. The CX-70 comes standard with a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six engine, available in 280 horsepower or a more potent 340 horsepower configuration. The higher output version delivers strong acceleration, reaching 60 mph in just 6.2 seconds in our tests, and achieves 29 mpg on the highway. Despite its power, the engine can be somewhat loud under heavy acceleration, and the 8-speed automatic transmission occasionally feels sluggish, especially when using paddle shifters. Key specs. The engine generates up to 369 lb-ft of torque and is paired with an all-wheel drive system. Towing capacity. Most models can tow up to 5,000 pounds, though the base preferred trim is limited to 3,500 pounds. Interior and comfort. The CX-70's cabin mirrors the CX-90 in terms of quality, offering premium materials and an upscale design. Upper trims feature options like red leather upholstery and a spacious second row, comfortably accommodating adults. Cargo space is comparable to the CX-90 with the third row folded down, and underfloor storage is generous. Infotainment. A standard 12.3-inch touchscreen runs Mazda's latest software, with optional physical controls for easier operation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included. Audio. Higher trims feature a 12-speaker Bose sound system. Fuel efficiency and hybrid option. The EPA estimates 23-24 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway, depending on the engine output. Real-world testing at 75 mph yielded 29 mpg in the S Premium model. A plug-in hybrid variant is also available, offering better fuel economy and up to 30 miles of all-electric range. Safety features. All CX-70 models include Mazda's iActiveSense suite of driver assistance technologies, such as automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Optional features include a 360-degree exterior camera system. Pricing and trim levels. The CX-70 starts at $53,905 for the base model. Upgrading to the premium trim adds features like 21-inch wheels, a hands-free liftgate, and a panoramic sunroof. The higher horsepower S models offer increased performance for a higher price. Recommended trim. The premium trim offers the best balance of features and value. Long-term ownership. Mazda's warranty includes a 3-year 36,000-mile limited warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. However, unlike some competitors, Mazda does not offer complimentary scheduled maintenance. Conclusion. The Mazda CX-70 is a well-rounded SUV that delivers strong performance, a premium interior, and a comfortable ride. Its two-row configuration makes it a viable option for buyers who don't need a third row, though the price difference with the CX-90 may give some pause. Overall, the CX-70 is a compelling choice in the mid-size SUV segment.